Yo! Guys, this is heaven. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to teach you how I make my version of Starbucks discontinued green tea frappuccino with 2 shots of espresso. Now, when I went to Japan, I tried looking for this item and hoping that it is still in their menu. I think that Starbucks has already discontinued this specific cold drink in their stores. So I customized my order. I asked that Japanese lady if she can make me a green tea frappuccino with 2 shots of espresso, cream and caramel on top. And she said, okay, I can make it for you. I was extremely satisfied. And when I came back to Australia, I made an experiment. I ordered for the same drink again. I asked the counter, this is my order, green tea frappuccino, but please add 2 shots of espresso with cream and caramel on top. And they happily made it for me. So guys, that's just a tip that I can give you today. If you are going to order at Starbucks and you want to customize your drink, they are happy to do that for you. So today I am going to teach you how to make that green tea frappuccino with 2 shots of espresso, cream and caramel on top that has been discontinued and at the comfort of your own home. So guys, these are the simple ingredients that we need. We have ice. Today I am going to use the activated almond milk, but you can definitely use regular milk, any milk that you want. The most important, of course, the matcha. Matcha is a powdered form of green tea. That is matcha. And, I miss this. Of course, 2 shots of espresso. I miss the smell. And later on, we need cream and caramel. Alright, let's start making it now. Now, I always observe how they make our drinks in Starbucks, and they use the size of your cup to measure your ingredients. Isn't it that they have the tall, the grande, and the short? And this is the grande. I'm going to make grande today. Of course, we have our blender. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to put some ice. There's no exact measurement. I'm just guessing how much they put. But I know that they put like this much. Yeah. And then we are going to pour in, and just pour in this almond milk. They just basically mix everything. And then, I'm gonna show you. This is the magic part. Whoops! And another shot of espresso. Whoops! And of course, this. The green tea. The matcha. I am going to put 2 teaspoons of my matcha. One, 2. And this is what it looks like. There. Okay. That's what it looks like. And I think I need to add extra ice. It's going to be really loud, guys. Yo! Oh, yo! Oh my gosh. And this. Yo! Guys, this is heaven. This is my version of green tea frappuccino with 2 shots of espresso, cream, and caramel on top.
This video is brought to you by MOMiji's Amazon store, kitchen essentials curated for you, MOMiji's channel members, and MOMiji's merchandise with thousands of items to choose from, designed by yours truly.
There's more for you, my lovely supporters. Use iSubbed at Teespring checkout to get $30 off your entire order. Links below.